Hello, I'm Kurt, Senior Network Engineer here at Simplex-IT. In this video, we're going to discuss what infrastructure, software, and platforms as a service means. Let's get started. Let's look at this example of pizza as a service. When you have a traditional on-premises server, it is like you're making the pizza from scratch at home. So you're responsible for things like table, soda, electricity, and everything down to the toppings. When you're using infrastructure as a service, your cloud provider, or grocery store in this example, is responsible for more things. Think of it like getting a take-and-bake pizza from the store, where it doesn't come cooked, but the ingredients are all there ready for you to make. Moving on to platform as a service, you're responsible for even less. You're only responsible for the dining room table and soda, and it's the vendor's responsibility to handle the rest. This is the equivalent of getting pizza delivered, where you will still need a place to eat and a drink to go with it, but the pizza place handles the rest. Software as a service is entirely managed by the vendor, so you manage nothing. This is the equivalent of going out to eat, where it is entirely the restaurant's responsibility to serve you the pizza. How does this relate to technology? IT techs love pizza. I will work for food all the time. Just kidding, but not really. On-premises is the server that is in your basement closet, where you're responsible for everything including setting it up, getting it running, installing the operating system, backups, networking behind it, power, air conditioning, as well as all the applications you install and the data that resides there. Infrastructure as a service takes the physical servers and makes them known as a virtual machine, or VM, which is a virtual version of the server and is hosted in the cloud. The cloud provider sets up the physical server in the data center, and they're responsible for the power, networking, and air conditioning. You're responsible for configuring things, so you set up the VM to run on the hardware that they provide to you. So you may install an operating system, applications, virtual networking, and backups. Platform as a service, or PaaS, takes IaaS and strips out a lot of the virtual machine maintenance. You're no longer responsible for maintaining the VM itself, such as the operating system and networking. You just install the applications and the data on it. With software as a service, or SaaS, you're just responsible for the data. Great examples are Facebook and QuickBooks Online, where you input all the data, but you're not responsible for any of the other related aspects. For any other questions about IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS, see this thing right here. Now, let's talk about pizza. I'm hungry.